In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you how to align the stroke on shapes here in Photoshop. So you can have a stroke on your shape as well as a fill. The fill color is basically the shape color. The stroke is the outline around the shape. Now that stroke can be lined up to the outside, the inside, or the center of the outline of the shape. We can do that, or the path of the shape, I should say. We can do that by coming over here into the Properties panel when we have our shape layer selected. We scroll down in the Properties panel if you need to, and then right underneath the stroke width, we can actually see this option here, which is aligning to the inside, the outside, or the center. Right now, I'm aligning to the center. We can see what the inside looks like. We can also see what the outside looks like. Now we can see this a little bit better if we select the Shape tool. So you still have the Shape tool selected here, and you have your polygon shape layer selected. We can actually see the path of our shape. And when we can see the path, we can see that right now we're aligning the stroke to the outside. So then if we were to change that, you can see the difference here. That's the center and that is the inside. Without seeing that outline, it's kind of hard to tell. However, this is how you can set the outline type for your stroke on any shape within the shape properties here in Photoshop.